Individually, we can make change, but collectively, we can do so much more. We are building the platform for the business events industry.
It's very encouraging that PCMA of all organizations be the first ones where I can personally get to connect with my fellow events people again.
To discuss, to exchange, and also to learn how we can transform this industry to the next level.